What did you do? So I was minding my own business the other day, came home, and look what was waiting on the porch for me when I got home from work. Couldn't wait to show you guys. So while I'm opening this, I just wanted to thank you guys again very, very much. I can't tell you how much this means to me. A letter from Susan. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. Hey, we don't care about this right now. Little speechless. Thank you. I know just where to hang this. Before I announce the winner, let me show you what I've been up to. All right, so I just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek at the next 3 videos that are coming up and that I've been working on. We're gonna do a wood bench with 3 drawers. We're gonna do a little river rock pattern, and then I'm gonna show you how to do kind of a travertine technique. Then I'm gonna show you how to make some concrete bowls. And of course, we're gonna take it just one step further. Let's get to why you're really here. Let's announce that winner. And the winner of the Milwaukee Toolkit is Jonathan from Antioch, Tennessee. Congratulations, brother. Look for an email from me, send me your address, and I'll send this out to you straight away. Thank you to everybody that entered to win. I swear, I wish I could give you all toolkits. And will we be doing many more giveaways in the future? What do you think?